Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be creating for you guys this matte orange smoky eye. I'm in love with it, and I popped on a shimmery shadow on my lower lash line just to give it that little extra glam and spark to the look. And I will be showing you guys how I create this look using my favorites brush set with Sigma. If you guys haven't seen, yes, I have a brush set with Sigma. I'm so excited about this. I'll link the other video down below where I reveal to you guys this whole set and what's in it and everything. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how I use all the brushes in this set to create this look. I told you guys I would keep doing looks using this set so you guys could see how versatile the brushes really are and how many different looks you can create using them. So I'm excited for that, and I hope you guys enjoy this look, and if you guys want to stick around to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Still Shot. I'm picking up this shadow on my E38 Diffuse Crease brush, and this is the brush that I always use to start off my looks. And I always apply my transition shades with this brush. It just helps really bluff everything out and really blow it out. I'm now going into Baja. I'm picking up this shadow on my Sigma E25 blending brush, and whenever I want to deepen my crease with a darker shadow, I always reach for this brush because it does a really good job of packing on shadow and making it really, really pigmented, plus doing a really good job for blending. So I'm just going back and forth in windshield wiper motions. And I always tell you guys, with a smoky eye, I like to concentrate on my crease first to make sure that everything is really blended, and then I just pop on that shadow on my lid, and it makes it so much quicker and easier. Now I'm picking up that same shadow on my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush, and I'm just tapping that onto my lid. And this is my favorite brush to pack on shadow onto my lid because it's so perfect and dense enough to pack on shadow, plus you can kind of do a little bit of blending through the crease because it is kind of soft enough to do that blending for you. And now I'm going to go back in with Still Shot and my E38 Diffuse Crease brush and just apply that at the very high point of my crease to make sure that everything is blown out and that peachy shadow is kind of still peeking through. To highlight my brow bone, I'm picking up Breakaway. So I always have a paper towel or napkin next to me when I do my makeup so I can wipe off the brush and just get the excess shadow off of it. So I just wiped off this E54 medium sweeper brush, and now I'm going to highlight my brow bone with this brush. For my lower lash line, I'm picking up Accelerate. I picked this shadow up on my Sigma F70 concealer brush, and I'm going to start running this along my lash line. To line my waterline and tight line, I'm picking up Sigma Beauty Standout Eyes Gel Liner in Wicked. So I'm going to take my Sigma E06 winged liner brush, and I'm going to start by outlining my lash line. I like to create a really thin line along my lashes. And now I'm going to place the brush between my upper and lower lash lines on the outer corner and just flick that line out. And then I'm going to draw a line back on itself and curve it into the center of my lid. And now I'm going to fill in the entire liner. Now I'm going to show you how I create an inner corner with my liner. So I take this E06 wing liner brush and I just squeeze it and then kind of tap on the top of it just so it kind of has that really sharp angled flat point. And right where my inner corner is, I'm just going to drag that line out, and then I'm going to draw the line into my waterline. Now I'm going to line my upper waterline with my E06 wing liner brush, and then I'm going to line my lower waterline. To highlight my inner corner, I'm picking up Blaze. I just wiped off my concealer F70 brush by Sigma, and I'm applying the shadow onto my inner corner. I'm now just going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to be going into these Lashalicious Lashes and Fleekalicious. And that's the eye look done. Now moving on to my lips, I'm going to go into this Ofra Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Rio. This is still their old packaging. Their new packaging is so white and sleek and chic. So I'm just going to apply this all over my lips. I feel like it's going to look really nice because it's a nude shade, but it has like an orangey peachy undertone. So I feel like it's going to look real good with this look. And that is it. This is the completed look of my orange smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I can't tell you guys how much I love the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette. It is such a great palette, and I feel like you can create so many different looks with it. I just keep wanting to use it because it's so good. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'm glad that I got to show you another look using my brush set. And there will be a link down below to the brush set so you guys can get your hands on it. And I would love, love, love if you guys send me pictures of you with the brush set so I could see you holding it. And definitely send me the looks you create using the brushes because I would love to see that as well. And if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here as well as down in the description box. And also the list of all the products and this brush set will be linked down below for you guys to find everything easier. And I think that should be it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!